it repeats. But let's cover the first major phrase here. I'll cover the left hand immediately because it's a waltz, right? It's in 3, which means the left hand could not be simpler. It's just quarter notes, right? Blip, blip. It's not too hard. And it's sort of your scaffolding around which you can build your right hand. The right hand's rhythm is a little bit more tricky, so the left hand has to be nailed down before you start the right. So let's get to it. If I'm ever moving too quickly, please slow this video down, right, on the right-hand corner of your screen. Just slow this video down and keep up. Starting on B minor, and then this chord twice, 4, 2, 1. And depending on your taste, you can actually pedal this whole thing. I tend to prefer a little drier, but you can fiddle around and see what you like. Next bar, we have a C sharp down here. You can play a C sharp here with your 4th or 5th fingers. I tend to use a 4th finger just because it's a bigger finger and harder to miss. Then 4, 2, 1 twice. Next bar, A sharp, and then twice, 5, 2, 1. Next bar is back to B minor. That's it. Those are your first 4 bars. So. Cool. So have that in hand before you start the right hand. And again, these are all quarter notes. So if I was to count this, it just falls, every one of these things that I just played for you falls on something, a number that is said. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3. Very straightforward. The right hand, here we go. Just the notes, then the rhythm. Starting on 4 on F sharp. Then we have 5, 4, 2, 3. And then 1, 2 across. So once more, that's 4, you hold for a bit, and then moving on, we start the same way, 4, 5, 4, and now things change, 1, 3, 2, 1 on B. Cool, moving on. 2. So same note, but different fingering. 3, 1, 2. So it kind of circles the F sharp, right? You start on F sharp and end on F sharp here. 4, 5, 5 again. F with your thumb, back up to D. Now everything shifts down by semitone. E, and a 4th on C sharp. And to finish the phrase, we get 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And this brings us into the beginning of the waltz, right? It's a repetition of the main theme. So those are the notes. Make sure you have those down pretty good before you start putting it together. And of course, I'm going to give you the rhythm now. So this is what happens. We have a pickup note that's sort of, it's a stepping off point for the rest of the piece, right? A pickup bar, in this case, it's a single quarter note, leads us into the first bar proper. So we have on 3, 3 and now the first bar begins. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1. You see? So let's do it slowly. 3 and 1 and 2 and 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 3 and 1 and 2 repeats. So actually I gave you 8 bars here. In the left I gave you just 4. In the right I gave you 8 bars. But let's put together the first 4 bars of this piece, right and left hand, so you can see the way the hands interact. Take your time and really learn the right hand with counting comfortably and easily before you try to navigate this thing together. Here we go. Both hands. First 4 bars. 3 and 1 and 2 and 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 3 and. So if you'd like to finish this piece off, please visit our website. And yeah, hopefully I'll see you there. Subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you think of all this. And let's keep moving forward. Let me know what you think. All right, see you in the next one, guys.